handling one of my last few criminal cases, probably in Galveston today. So let's get today started. So we're out here on the seawall. I just got out of court on a criminal case, and I'm about to head back to Houston and back to my office, but I figured this would be a pretty nice place to stop. Galveston is a great place to practice law. I mean, if you're like a sea person, because you live like right here by the beach. I'm not gonna be able to cover like the whole city because I have to just get back, but this is the seawall. It's pretty awesome. Every time I come down to Galveston, I don't always make it to the beach, but when I can, I try to come out here because it's soothing. Galveston is a great place to check out. It's only probably an hour and 30 minutes, if that, depending on where you live here in Houston. But I got to get back to the office. I've spent some time living in New Orleans, me and my wife, and it's cemeteries. When you're a kid, you're kind of afraid of cemeteries, but I think as you get older, you kind of start to embrace the fact that none of us are going to be here forever. And I think definitely being a personal injury lawyer, you have to be somewhat familiar with death. Unfortunately, and definitely serving in the armed forces. I mean, you become familiar with that. But basically, what I was going to talk about is the fact that life is short, man, and nothing is guaranteed. You should focus on the area of law that you want to do. You should do the jobs, or you should do what you want to do with your life. Life is short, man. There ain't no guarantees out here, and you don't want to be somebody who's wasting your potential away, doing something that you aren't happy with. So what I would do is, another lesson for young lawyers is that I would try to expose myself to as many areas of law as I wanted to be in. I would expose myself to as many areas of law that I was interested in as soon as possible. Why would you want to be a tax attorney if, in the end, you really want to be an immigration attorney or something of that nature? Choose the profession. You spend all this money and time doing this. Go ahead and choose something or do something that's going to make you, happy in the end. And that goes for anybody, really, in this world. You know what I mean? It's not just for lawyers. This is anybody, man. I mean, we all gonna be in here one day. So you got to go ahead and you got to make decisions that's gonna impact your life and make you happy. There's no reason why you shouldn't be waking up every day feeling happy and blessed. So that's my little tidbit, and I'm about to get back on the road and head back up to Houston, because I gotta handle some more cases up there, and that's it.